We both are working very hard and we are service class. We have a job, so we can't save the money with the job. So we just want to grow and invest the money so we can look after our daughter and just whatever we want to give, just we want to give the daughter.
We want to secure our future, our retirement. So that's our goal. Hi, my name is Rahul Jain.
Hi, my name is Shalu Jain.
We came in Australia in 2005 as a student visa, and we are working in a hospitality industry in last 12 years.
I'm also working in hospitality and then we look after the old people.
I met with the Rusty last year, and we got a very good experience with Rusty. We learned a lot new things about financial portfolios, and he helped me to create my portfolio. Yeah.
And we bought the two property with the help, a very big help, big help. Thank you, Evan.
As an immigrant, we were struggling with our visas, family issues, and other things. So we got late permanent residency in 2014. But important part is we didn't have awareness how to invest. Since Australia is our home now, and we want to have a good life in Australia. We got a daughter. We want to live permanently in Australia now. So that's why when we met Rusty, we learned how to save money, how to invest the money in a proper way.
Because now Australia is our home, so we just want to go here only because we have only one daughter and we want to give everything to her what we can.
It's worthwhile. That's why we could have made two properties in 1 year. That was a big achievement. So otherwise, money is sitting always in a saving account, and then you don't think of the number. So basically, educate yourself. So you need someone who's on expert field to educate you on those things. So when we purchased our home property in 2018 in Sydney, we were not aware. We did not read any research. We just went for the unit. We could have purchased the house at that same time, but we did not take any advice from the people. We did not look any proper suburb. But still, that's why when we want to buy investment property, we need expert advice. Money is sometimes sitting in your saving account, but you don't think to invest. That's why the purpose for this, we want to buy another one. We got some savings for the third one already ready to go. It takes 2 to 4 months to get the right property on the board. So educate ourselves, educate with the expert people how we can move forward. This much is saving. What's our next goal? How much to save more to buy a property? Yes, the market is very high now, but still we want to buy something. We bought the first house in 2018. Then we were not ready few years. We were not educating ourselves properly. Then somebody introduced Rusty to us, and then once we met with Rusty, we understand why we need to grow the money. We had that savings in our account, and once we purchased the first property in March 22, and later on after 3 months we purchased another investment property, and now after 1 year in 2023 we are ready for the another one. So we got some money. We want to buy another property as well. So what I like the best part, the end-to-end process is very, very smooth. From searching the property, mortgage lender, then looking at the property pros and cons, then finalizing the property, then settling the property, then look for the agent who looks after your property in the future, the rental. So the process from the starting to end, that's the best part. I like that. You don't have to worry a lot of things. So Rusty introduced the specialized people, expert people, professional people. Us sitting down at home, busy with your work on a daily Monday to Friday, and still you can purchase the property on a different state and different places. Yeah, definitely, because I feel that Rusty and his team is working very hard and they are growing. It's good for us because we can get a better opportunity in the future. So definitely, if one of my friend or my brother or my known person want to work in the same industry, definitely I will recommend it to work with the Rusty.
Because
Definitely.
we bought the two property with the Rusty and we are very fully satisfied with the Rusty service. So we want to recommend it the other people what we get the benefit from Rusty. So we want the other people also get that benefit and education.
And plus, a personal touch is important. Sometimes property is there, but when you're meeting with a buyer's agent, so with Rusty, definitely a personal touch with everything makes you comfortable making that decision because you are meeting with the different people in that whole journey. You are not meeting only with Rusty, you are meeting with the 7, 8 different people, but the comfort level is you can contact anytime. So if I got a question at 11 p.m. in the night time, if I message Rusty, that he will message me at the same time. So in a lot of places, the people don't answer the thing after hours. Personal touch is important for us. That's why we want to go for another property, I generally talk about how you grow, how did you buy the property, and that sort of a question to you when you meet on a daily basis. So a lot of people, they understand those things, but the final execution, they don't do that. They have money, but they don't have willingness. They're scared to do all those things. So when you have a right person who can introduce you to show you the guide, what to do the step by step, from looking at property, pros and cons of the property, how much grow, everything data are available on the Google, but you cannot trust the data, whatever is on the Google. But when you get this data from the expert people, that gives you more confidence to invest on those areas. For me, Rusty means trust and education. That's important. We have 100% trust. The process was so easy from the day one until today. So we trust that process. So Rusty and team and those who introduced, they are all trustworthy people. While sitting down here in Sydney, if you are buying something in a Perth, which is 6-hour flight from here, all the execution was so smooth process from the start to end. So that's what is important for me.
I will just say right pathway to grow.
Yes.
Rusty is the right pathway to grow.
Yeah, and especially I would like to add, everybody's aging early is always good, but never too late for anything. So whenever you start, you need to think about your retirement. You need to think about your long-term goals.